I was going to.
I've not been paying attention. I don't even know what's new anymore.
Even the Gundams look good.
Yeah, they do look kind of cool. I don't want to be dragged back in.
It's all right, dude. It's okay to look.
Love the Godzilla. And okay, we've got some cute Sanrio stuff. Some One Piece. Those are really fun, actually. That one is cool. I love her hair. Naruto is amazing. Oh, the Frierenm one. I haven't seen that one yet. That one's cute. Spy Family. Okay, we got Gundam, Dragon Ball Z, more Dragon Ball, and then Demon Slayer stuff is awesome. And then we got some Pokemon.
Really small.
Oh, the itty Pokemon's really cool, actually. She-Ra. Hello Kitty stuff. Another one of these mini backpacks. These are cool, actually. I love Saved by the Bell back in the day. Okay, and then these are just the itty bitties in their regular boxes. Oh, okay, and then these are just boxes for Mondo.